Greetings everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Deepal from AG Consultancy and Apps. Hope you're all doing well. This is the second of the video series for Smart Inspections EX. In the first video, I took you through the basic concepts of the product, including who is it for and the key benefits. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Smart Inspections EX Desktop, which is a part of the solution usually accessed by back office or maintenance office staff like planners, team leads, maintenance managers, and even auditors. Please note that I'm not going to take you through all the features, but the most important ones. I strongly recommend you watch the first video of the series, if not done already, because that will help you to understand today's video and any future videos. Hope you're all ready for this. Let's dive right in. I'm sure you're familiar with what you're seeing in the screen right now. It's a work order change transaction in SAP IW32. On the top of the screen, you see the description of the work order, which in this case says it's an EX inspection. You have the reference function location, you have the work center details, and everything else as you would expect. If I went to operations tab, you would see all the operations, in this case just one operation. If I went to objects tab, I see all the objects in the work order that the technician has to work on. If I went to planning tab, I would see all the planning related information like maintenance plans and call numbers and task lists. You must be thinking, where does Smart Inspections EX come in? In the top of the screen, you see an icon. Upon clicking, it will straight away take me to inspection scope. The screen shows you all the equipments that has to undergo inspections in this case. It has an oil heater, ESD valve, and at the bottom of the screen, it has a limit switch. Now there could be any number of equipments here. However, in this particular example, I'm only using 3. If I filter in oil heater, you could see that all the inspection that must be carried out is listed over there. They straight away come from electrical standard IEC 679. In front of all of them, you see a pass, fail, or fix. These are the 3 options that the technicians could select. While pass or fail indicates what it exactly means, fix represents situations where as found was faulty, as left was good. So technicians manage to tweak things, a small fix, in order to ensure the equipment is properly functioning again. These are recorded for reporting purposes down the line. This is an empty work order which has yet to undergo inspections. Let's look at a work order which has undergone inspection and see how the results appear. For a change, I'm going to select the order from a list transaction. What you see is IW38, list of work orders. This transaction shows all the work orders, not only inspection work orders. But as you could see, Smart Inspection brings a little icon next to the work order, which clearly indicates what are inspection work orders. This helps you to separate them from any other work orders. As you could see, the work order has been partially results recorded with. Passes are indicated in green, fails are indicated in red. If I move the cursor towards right, you see that against the failed inspection, there's a notification created. Now this is created automatically. You would see that in the next videos. This notification helps the gatekeepers and planners to recognize the inspection failure and trigger remediation action. Now seeing the notification is fairly straightforward and easy. All I have to do is click. Moment I click, it opens up the notification. And as you could see, everything a gatekeeper and later on a planner needs are there in the notification to convert it to a work order and then to progress the remediation work. Let me take a step back to my inspection scope again. If I want to see the history of a particular equipment, all I have to do is select that equipment and go to the top of the screen and select that history report button. It will straight away take me to the history of that particular equipment and how it performed in the last inspections over the however many years that you want to see. Same report acts as an audit trail as well. So you see how easy it is to access the information you want, no matter where you come from. As you could see, this equipment is not the greatest of the equipments because there are so many failures in there. In an ideal world, this is the type of equipment you want to change. What you also notice is against every failure, there are follow-on notifications and work orders. These indicate the remediation actions. If I want to see them, all I have to do is click. It will straight away open up. I'm sure you understand now how powerful the tool is and how easily the maintenance staff can get to where they want to. I'm sure now you have a good understanding as to how SmartEX desktop works and then how it helps the maintenance office staff. In the next video, I'll take you through how an inspection results are recorded in the field using the mobile device. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you ever so much for watching. I'll see you next time.